In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update error call 0x80248014. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open up your settings. So just give it a moment, then click on Open. And then after that, just go ahead and search for Troubleshoot. So go ahead, search for Troubleshoot because we are going to run recommended troubleshooters preferences. So just go ahead, click on it. As you can see now, after that, click on Other Troubleshooters. And now go ahead, run the Windows Update Troubleshoot. After you do that, a window will open up for you. You just have to follow the steps they will ask you to follow in order to run a troubleshoot on your Windows Update and why it doesn't work. So go ahead, check this, and then wait for the scan to take place. So after you have done that, just go ahead, click out of Windows Troubleshoot. And then after that, go ahead, try to restart your computer for changes to take place. Now, after you have done that, just go back and then check for your updates and install them and try to update your Windows now and see if it works. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.